Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my subscribers and returning subscribers. Well, it's taking me quite some time to give an update concerning the sudden death or sad demise of as Ada Jesus, whom many Nigerians are praying for quick recovery from kidney disease. But sorry to say, she died of the same illness. She's a popular comedian and she is known as Ada Jesus. You see, before she died, the late comedian, she has made waves on the cyberspace these few weeks when her health condition deteriorated. There were insinuations that Ada Jesus incurred the wrath of God by making caricature of a controversial Anambra State-based prophet, Chukwuemeka Ohanemere Odumeje, also known as Endaboski. However, the late comedian, who is from Imo State, Ada Jesus, she made a live video on Facebook debunking such insinuations that her deteriorated health is as a result of the caricature she made, of Odumeje and the people she spoke against. She debunked it, saying she has been suffering from kidney diseases for over 1 year and that her condition has only got worse. But however, she apologized to Prophet Odumeje and other people she believed that she hurted, and other people that she believed that got her through what she said and other. But yet, as of today, the forgiveness did not do anything even to her health. The late Ada Jesus was rushed to a hospital by a good Samaritan and she underwent series of dialysis before the news of her death yesterday. She died 2 days after celebrating her birthday on the sick bed. That's how this young lady died. Many people believe that her ailment is untreatable and her healing is tied to Odumeje's forgiveness and all the people that she has hurt with her comedies, that if she should go and apologize to them, she will be healed. And her parents, I don't know how inclined they are to what medicine and treatment of illness and disease could do. They were taking her from one religious group to the other, taking her to one pastor or the other. They strongly believe that her predicament is as a result of provocation of Odumeje and his minions. Based on what I heard as well, the parents of this Mesoma Messi Obi, also known as Ada Jesus, they rejected every help offered. They rejected every help offered by people like, as I heard, Iwu Alanadi Palsy, to fly her abroad for dialysis and kidney transplant, even after 3 million was raised for her and her visa secured. They turned it down because they think she needs forgiveness from the likes of Dumeje, Doche, and Chimarin's temple and all that. That's why they left this girl, that Jesus, to continue suffering, carrying her up and down from one pastor to the other, subjecting her to crowd for religious fraudsters and all scammers. So now she's gone, and Rita Doche was trending yesterday, Odumeje was trending yesterday, and some others, because even some gullible Nigerians who still believe that maybe she died because probably she got her forgiveness was granted her late. So if actually her healing is tied to forgiveness from those she hurt through her comedies, why did she eventually die? She died because she was not given the medical attention when she needed it. She died because she was not taken to proper hospital where proper care and proper treatment will be given. Like we've all been reading on social media, she died because if she needed transplant, it wasn't done on time. That was what led to her death, not because she spoke against one prophet or one pastor who want this or want that. So many people, even till today, have been criticizing prophet pastors, and they are still alive today. They are still breathing. So, and there is nobody that can, declare that someone will die, this will happen, and it happened when God has not approved it. So this is what happens to everyone. So let no one believe that Jesus died because she was cursed, because she offended Chimarin's temple, because she offended Dumeji or Rite Doche, because she did this. She died just because of kidney disease, which is common to everyone, which can happen to everyone. Many people have been dying of kidney disease, and not just kidney disease. Many people have been dying of cancer. Young people, old people, youth, and all that. This is what happens to everyone. It's not something that is new to the earth. It's not something that is new to the world. It's something that is prevalent, and people have been dying of it. She died because maybe I can say her parents, they are not that much inclined to what medical assistants could do, and they believe that she needed to go from one pastor to the other, from one person to the other, that she offended, so that they could forgive her. Now they they forgave her. Why is she not hit? Why did she die eventually? Now those who believe that refuse to forgive her because they wanted her to suffer, like we saw Doche shouting at Dumeji's church that she should rise. Bilienu, who is in your family, who is this, another, you must provide those people that you said that did this, that did that. Now that she's dead and she's buried, we should be providing it from the grave. Because I keep saying that Dumeji turned out to come and forgive her, because many people have been criticizing his decision not to forgive her. And also Rite Doche, she made it clear that she received so many calls from local and international people who advised her, who encouraged her that she should forgive that Jesus. She forgave her. I believe that maybe not from her heart, but now that she's gone, now that she's no more, those who feel that they have power to create and to recreate, they have power to tell who will be alive and who will not be alive. Let's see whether they will be alive like Methuselah. Let's see if they will live forever. No one lives forever in this earth. Date is appointed to all, and it's for everyone to get ready whenever his or her own turn reaches. The person is going. So it's sad to announce that this lady, this comedian, Ada Jesus, is dead. She died because of kidney disease, and many people are dying of kidney disease. And I want to validate the point that she didn't die because of she incurred the wrath of God because she offended one person, one the other, Chimarin's temple, or one native doctor or the other. She died because of a failing health. Thank you guys. If you like this, what is your opinion? What is your comment? Did Ada Jesus or Mesama Messi Obi die because she incurred the wrath of God? Did she die because proper medical attention wasn't given to her on time? Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, give your own opinion in the comment section below. Thank you so much.